Welcome to YaraPlus, a new digital platform designed to help you make confident crop nutrition decisions, bringing together Yara's agronomic tools, expert knowledge, and products, all in one place. Let's begin. After logging in, you arrive at the YaraPlus homepage, your central starting point for managing fields, planning nutrition, and accessing Yara's digital services. At the top of the page, the header gives you quick access to several key areas. The Farms menu, where you can switch between farms, add new ones, or import existing fields. Under Manage Farms, YaraPlus supports seamless collaboration. You can share access to your fields with farm workers, advisors, or retailers, helping everyone stay aligned. The Help Center, where you can find answers to common questions. And Account Settings, where you manage your user profile and preferences. At the center of the home page, you'll see your farm overview, with all your fields clearly outlined on an interactive map. You can easily add new fields or import field boundaries, keeping everything organized in one place. This map isn't just for orientation. By clicking on any field, it becomes your gateway to planning, monitoring, and applying crop nutrition more precisely. Just below the map, you'll find quick shortcuts, your fastest access to key actions such as variable rate maps for precise fertilizer application, N-tester for crop-based nitrogen recommendations, Tankmix search to check product compatibility before spraying. These shortcuts are designed to save time and help you move quickly from insight to action, exactly when you need it. YaraPlus also supports you step by step throughout the season. That's why we've added the section What's Next in Your Season, which guides you through a clear workflow. Choose Fertilizer, helping you select the right product for your crop. Plan fertilizer use, supporting you in applying the right amount at the right time. Monitor crop growth, using tools that help you track performance and spot issues early. And finally, Apply Fertilizer, where you can access key features such as creating variable rate application maps for precision crop nutrition, as well as Tankmix. We've also prepared a series of short tutorials covering these key features, make sure to check them out. Further down the page, you'll find Yara offerings that many users already know, now fully integrated into one platform, removing the need for multiple logins. Here, you can access the catalog to help you find the right fertilizer, My Order portal, where you can view orders and manage deliveries. From here you can also order or return your N-tester device. And finally MegaLab, for soil, water, and leaf analysis. YaraPlus also makes it easier to get started. With our featured integrations, you can seamlessly import field files from classic @farm or other sources. Thanks to our latest John Deere integration, you can quickly connect accounts and transfer field boundaries and variable rate application maps between both systems. Further down the page, you'll find local news, events, podcasts, and product updates, carefully selected to be relevant to your country and cropping systems, ensuring that learning and insights are always close at hand. Finally, the left-hand navigation menu allows you to easily move between the key areas of the platform. Thanks for watching this demo. Don't forget to check out our other videos to learn how to make the most of YaraPlus for your crop nutrition.